Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Nails, and if you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm super happy to have you here and I hope that everyone is doing amazing today. So for this video, I am going to be using these gels from Beetles Gel. I actually received a giveaway prize from them last week and I did do an unboxing video, but I didn't post it because I wasn't really sure how people would feel about it. So instead, I decided to do a nail tutorial with them and challenge myself to use only the stuff that's in the nail kit. It came with some really cute nail art stickers. All of the gels are really pretty too. This is the So in Love limited edition collection gift box. The set did not come with a base color, so I am using the one that I have from their Christmas collection that they sent me. This one, I think it's called Frosted Rose, but it's just like a beigey, pinky kind of nude. I'm gonna do 2 layers of this. It also came with a nail art brush, so I'm gonna be using that today to create a French tip. I'm using the pink cream gel for the French tip. So the vibe that I was going for this set was a picnic cherry theme. I've never done a design like this before, so it was a little bit challenging, but honestly it wasn't that bad to do. I feel like we get not enough time to do Valentine's Day nail sets, so obviously it's not Valentine's Day anymore, but I still wanted to do something cutesy and pink. The gels on this set are very pigmented, which is nice. They are on the thicker side. They're not runny, they're not thin, which is something I feel like most brands kind of encounter. But even though they are on the thicker side, they're still really easy to apply. Something I want to compare it to, the Kiara Sky Gel Pro, like those are very pigmented. They are also on the thicker side, but even still I run into issues with like streakiness. A gel art polish was included with this set. It's in the color white, so I am using that to create the stripes going down and across the pink French tip. I promise I'm not trying to glaze Beetle Gel right now, and I'm not being paid to say any of this stuff. This is just my own thoughts and opinions, but I really like this gel art polish. It is much different than any of the polishes I have used for gel art, because this one, it's pigmented, but it's self-leveling and it's not runny. I have some other gel art polishes from another brand, and they're just so thin and goopy and they're just a pain to work with. And the brush on this is nice too because it's not super long and it's not thick either, and it's kind of pointed towards the end, so it makes it really easy to change your pressure with the brush. Before I apply my nail art sticker, I made sure that there was no sticky residue on my nail, and I'm using the included tweezers from the kit to take off a sticker and put it on the nail. The stickers on the sticker sheet were really hard to get off, and they're also super sticky. I kept getting it stuck to the tweezers, and then I would get it stuck to my finger, and then I would get it stuck to the tweezers again, but at the end of the day, I finally got it on. After I put on the sticker, I went ahead and put a top coat on it. For the second nail, we're doing the same French tip design, and I'm also using the same base color, doing 2 layers of it. I really wanted to make sure that my French tips matched up, so I had my other one around for reference. I forgot to mention this, but my cleanup brush is from Red Carpet Manicure. You can get that at Ulta. I've had this brush since 2021 and it's held up really, really well. So if you pay attention to my community post on my YouTube channel, you will have noticed that I said that I wanted to kind of steer away from using the press-on nails so much for my nail art tutorials, just because I feel like people prefer to see actual hands and actual nails in videos. The press-on nails, it's a good way for me to practice versus like if I'm practicing on my hand and if I mess up, I kind of have to like start from square one. But I also can't decide like what kind of nail product that I want to use on my nails. I really like, I've been using the Cura Sky Tinted Rubber Top Coat as like a rubber base on my nails. I really like that, but I kind of want to try other things because I want to do extensions on my nails. I want to do polygel, but polygel for me is just such a commitment because you have to file it off, you can't soak it off. And then I could do builder gel, but I feel like builder gel just does not hold up on my nails very well. And then I do have some of the Cura Sky soft jelly tips left. I thought about doing that, but I have the short nail tips in a couple different shapes, but they're just not short enough for me. So I don't know, I'm kind of just messing around with things, but if you guys want to let me know what you prefer to see, I would love to hear your feedback. I used to keep my nails a lot longer, but ever since I became a mom, I have kept my nails pretty short. And I try to wear just my natural nails just because I am always using my hands, obviously. I'm always cooking, I'm always cleaning, I'm always playing with my child, so I just don't want to like do something on my nails that I'm just gonna end up breaking. So you may have noticed we skipped a step, and it's because I was trying to do the cat eye heart design and I just could not figure it out, and in the process of doing so I accidentally deleted the footage showing what I did here. But I just took the same pink color that I did for the French tip, and then this kit came with a cat eye gel, so I just layered the cat eye gel on top of it, and now you're gonna see me do the cat eye heart, and it was extremely hard to do. I sat here for like 45 minutes trying to figure it out, trying to get it to work. Finally kind of got it to work. It's not a great attempt, but it was an attempt. I really love the cat eye that was included with this kit, but I don't think that I would ever put it over polish again just because it looks too gray from certain angles. By itself, it looks really cool. It has like a little bit of pink and some silver, and in person there's actually, maybe it's just the way the colors layered, but it kind of looked a little bit like orange. Don't quote me on the name of it, but I think it's called Moonlight Beam. I cannot remember. So after I did the first heart, I did another layer of the cat eye gel, and then I did another heart on the bottom of the nail going a different direction. I tried a couple different magnets before I finally settled on something that worked. If you want my advice, you're going to want to use a magnet that has like plastic around it. Nothing that's metal, not a barrel magnet, because it's just going to keep pulling the particles. Once again, I'm taking my base color and I am doing 2 layers of this. I'm using the white gel art polish again to create like that French tip that has the little cutout in it. I did a much better job than I have in the past, It's still a work in progress, but I needed a smaller cleanup brush to really get the cutout to look nice, but I think it looks pretty good. In the center of the design, I am putting this cute little red bow. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and top coat it. And for the final nail, I am taking the pink cream and I am doing 2 layers of this. And just like the French tip, I am doing the same picnic pattern on this nail. And just to liven this up a little bit more, I put some stickers on the nail. I did a heart, and then I did another tiny heart, and then I am going to put a cherry in the middle. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you stick around and leave a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.